This is Christophe. Today, I just wanted to show you something that I noticed from some of the national scout. I was watching Paolo, the scout from the French team, the French men team, and I realized that as soon as the rally was over, he's just going back into his code and just adding a whole bunch of stuff. And he actually starts coding the moment the ref actually whistle to start the rally. So what if you see Paolo working, he's only got his hand on his key and he's just coding, and as soon as it's over, he actually just with the keyboard goes back into his entire history and start adding a whole bunch of stuff based on the video. And I was thinking, okay, maybe I can do that with Volleystation. So I started implementing, and I just want to show you what I found. Right. So I'm going to switch to a different camera, and with that camera, you should see my hands, and you should see a Volleystation. Right. And inside Volleystation, you should see like the code, which is your code, and then where you enter the data. So once you enter the data, what I usually do, I finish, I type P or AP. I don't like to have those key that just like does that for me. So I do P or AP, enter, and my rally is actually enter. And from that moment, what I want to do is I want to go back into that history and start moving things. So without using the mouse, what I do is I click the escape key. And now this part here is highlighted in red. You may not see that on the video. And what I can do is I can go up and down into my history, or I can keep the control key up and down, which actually move me from rally to rally. So I go from rally to rally, right? And once I'm inside a rally with the F key, right, I'm back here. I think it's probably, you don't see that, but it's the video is right there. The video is right where it needs to be. And now I can play the video, right? And I can now go back into my history. I don't know if you see that moving. And if I want to review something, I got the video. And if I want to change, you only type the enter key, and now you're in edit mode, and you can move there. So I think control space, control arrow allows me to quickly move between areas of the code. And for instance, I can go at the back, right, and add, let's pretend I didn't have anything, and I can just add 9F. And with enter, I'm back into the editing mode. I'm still in editing mode. I can still go back, control up and down, or just up and down, and then enter the information. Once I'm done, and I want to go back into the live, you just click the escape. So right now, this part is highlighted. And if I click escape, what is happening is now I can start typing, 15 serve, something like that kind of stuff. And you can go back into the rally, and you can still, live shift F, and you can still continue typing. So remember, when you finish typing and you're inside, with your key, escape allows you to highlight that area there. And then you can move with a control up and down, shift up and down, control up and down, enter to edit, type the information. And when you're down, when they're about to serve, you click the escape key and you're automatically into the caret there, into the area, and you can start typing. I hope that was useful. You guys have a good day.